How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to do a recap we took today on SPY, kind of give you my thought process behind it, why I entered a little early and did not wait on my original level from a pre-market game plan. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Also, I want to cover something else after this SPY recap, so stick around for that as well. So it was really simple, honestly. It wasn't a hard decision for me at all. When we opened on SPX, we opened right above that 4,050, 4,048 area, which was a nice support. That was a key area I was watching on SPX. So, right at them nice supports, I looked for entries on calls. SPY had strength, relative strength pre-market was above that prior day close. Honestly, it was a no-brainer. I was looking for a nice uptrend entry anyways above 406 on SPY here. The only difference is I took my entry down here instead of waiting for the break and, a nice pullback for a retest. Super simple trade. I have a video walking you through how to enter on an uptrend on SPY if you want to check that out. Oh, by the way, on that SPY trade, the contracts I was in that went from 114. My final sell was at like 207 per contract. Really nice trade. Really happy with my execution for the most part. I trade at the money strikes. I've had a lot of people ask me that. I try to point that out during every video. So, I trade right at the money strike prices when I trade options, as long as the spreads and liquidity is there. Now, I want to talk about this retest. This was on my weekly watch list video. For those that watched it, I adjusted my level, I think, a little bit this morning during the live. I said, okay, I want to see a retest of that 240 area on NVIDIA. And as you can see here, we broke, had a nice push up, come back down, retested that 240 perfectly. That's a textbook retest. That's exactly what you want to see for an entry for calls. You want to see a nice breakthrough, which is a breakout trade. I don't like trading breakout trades. So if we took this initial candle here, trying to catch the trade, that's a breakout trade. I like to wait on these pullbacks. No, I didn't take this trade. I did point this out inside Team Bull where I caught up the, SPY trade live. Just wanted to show you all that. If you want to pull this up, kind of look at it, study the chart. That's exactly what I like to see when looking for calls on a retest. But that's all I have today. Super simple video. I like to keep these recaps short. If you have any specific questions, leave them in the comments. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.